Welcome to this Blender tutorial, where we will create a realistic road using simple geometry and materials. Let's dive in. First, press Shift-A to bring up the Add menu. Select Mesh and then click on Plane. This will be your road surface. At the top of Blender, switch to the Shading workspace. This will allow you to set up and preview your materials nicely. In the Material Properties, click on New to create a new material for your road. Press Shift-A to open the Add menu again. Navigate to Texture and select Image Texture. Drag the Image Texture node into the node editor and connect its color output to the base color input of the principled BSDF shader. With the Image Texture node selected, click Open in the Node Properties to load your road texture image. Choose a compatible road texture that you have previously downloaded. In the principled BSDF shader settings, find the roughness parameter and set it to 1. This will give your road a more matte finish, perfect for asphalt. Press Shift-A, go to Vector, and select Bump. Place the bump node between the image texture and the principled BSDF. Connect the color output of your image texture to the height input of the bump node, and connect the normal output of the bump node to the normal input of the principled BSDF. Click the Layout tab at the top to return to the main scene view. Press Z and select Material Preview to see how your road will look with the applied material. Press Tab to switch to Edit mode. Ensure you are in Face Selection mode. Click on the plane to select it as your active object. Press E to activate the Extrude function. Move your mouse up a bit to create some thickness for the road and confirm the operation by clicking. Select the front and back faces of the plane and press X. Choose Faces in the Delete options. This will make your road more realistic with open ends. Press Tab to switch back to Object mode. In the Properties panel, navigate to the Modifiers tab, the wrench icon. Click on Add Modifier and select Bevel. This will soften the edges of your road, giving it a more organic look. Click on Add Modifier again and choose Array. Set the X factor to 0 and the Y factor to 1. This ensures the road stretches vertically. Increase the count value to control how many segments you want your road to have. Play with this number until you achieve the desired length of your road.